We often think that having more money is the key to happiness, but that's not the full picture. It's not about the number in your bank account, it's about the energy your money carries. Think about it. When you receive a payment with joy and gratitude, that's happy money. But when money comes with resentment, obligation, or fear, that's unhappy money. The vibe is completely different. Our relationship with money is personal. It's shaped by our motivations. Are you earning for survival, for power, to impress others, or for true freedom? And how do you see money? Is it a tool, a demon, or a game? Finding balance starts with understanding that money is simply a tool to create value. It's not just about financial IQ, which is understanding numbers and investments. You also need money EQ, which is understanding your feelings about money. Are you a stockpiler who hoards cash, a money maker chasing the next deal, a hippie who avoids it, or a worrier who stresses over every penny? Knowing your profile is the first step. So how do you build a healthy money EQ? First, receive money with joy and gratitude. Don't just check the deposit, say thank you. Second, trust your ability to handle financial challenges. You've navigated tough situations before. Third, believe your efforts will pay off. And fourth, practice generosity with your time, knowledge, and resources. Our financial habits aren't created in a vacuum. They are often inherited from our childhood and our family history. We pick up patterns from our parents and grandparents. Understanding this history is crucial. It helps us heal past money traumas and break negative cycles that might be holding us back. You can't always control how much money comes in or goes out, but you can control your attitude. When you have abundance, practice gratitude and plan for the future. And when you face scarcity, keep your perspective. Trust your resilience. It's also a good time to reassess what success and happiness truly mean to you. There are two core principles for happy money. First, practice generosity. This doesn't mean just donating to a charity. It can be a generous tip, a thoughtful gift, or simply sharing your expertise with a colleague. Second, embrace gratitude. Appreciate every gain, no matter how small, and express thanks to everyone involved in a transaction. The overall goal is to transform your relationship with money. It's about infusing every financial transaction with positive energy. When you do that, you aren't just building wealth. You are building personal fulfillment and well-being. It's time to make your money happy. Please like, share, and subscribe.